National anger mounts over the brutal rape and murder of the 31-year-old Kolkata doctor. Autopsy report now has revealed that the horror in the case and how brutally the victim was assaulted. The Calcutta High Court were hearing a PIL hit out at the Mamata government over reinstatement of the principal of the RG Kaur Hospital to a different medical college. The High Court told the principal to go on leave immediately, failing which the court said it would pass orders. The High Court also sought the case diary of the case before the court. Postmortem report indicates sexual penetration and states that the victim was killed by throttling and smothering and that the time of death was between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Report goes on to say that the victim's mouth and throat were constantly pressed to prevent her from screaming and that there was a lesion probably caused by perverted sexuality and also torture around her private parts. Sources indicate that the accused, Sanjay, confessed during the interrogation and told the cops to hang him. The police also has indicated that DNA samples of the arrested accused Sanjay has been collected during the medical legal test.
देखिए वो वेस्ट बंगाल में जो घटना हुई है उसके लिए हमारे पार्टी के लोग भी वहाँ आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं और देश भर में मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी के जितने भी लोग हैं वो भी आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं। मेरे पास में उसका डिटेल नहीं है क्योंकि संबंधित मंत्री जी उसको देखेंगे, लेकिन ये तो बहुत ही डिस्टर्बिंग इंसिडेंट है। अगर मेडिकल में काम करने वाला का ही संरक्षण नहीं होगा, उनका सेफ्टी नहीं है, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी चिंता की बात है।
ममता बनर्जी को तो इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। जांच को प्रभावित कर रही हैं ममता बनर्जी। वो जो 1 हफ्ते का समय ले रही हैं रविवार तक, मैं तो कहता हूं अगर आप में नैतिकता है, आप महिला हैं, महिलाओं की नैतिकता, बेटी के दुष्कर्म के दोषियों को सजा दिलाना है तो सीबीआई को तुरंत सौंप देनी चाहिए।
The girl has to get justice, and that is the primary objective of the incident. And this is an incident which shouldn't have happened. And the way the news is also coming, definitely the state government should also take the responsibility and do the necessary. And central government also, from its side, whatever is necessary, it's going to do from its side.
We want resignation of the health minister as well as chief minister. We want please arrest Vineet Goyal, CP Calcutta, Dr. SP Das, personal physician of the chief minister, and Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. They are the main architect of this genocide.
जब तक जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा तब तक बंगाल का लोग आवाज उठाएंगे। ये सरकार सामने जो चल रहा है, इसके पीछे कोई कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रहा है बड़ा, किसी को छुपाने का कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रहा है। सामने बोल रहे हैं फांसी होना चाहिए, कोई बोल रहा है एनकाउंटर होना चाहिए, लेकिन किसी एक का नहीं है। किसी एक को स्केपगोट बना के तुम कर नहीं सकते हो। जहाँ पे ये दुर्घटना जो भी है, इंसिडेंट जो भी घटी है, वही जगह में तुम पोस्टमार्टम कर रहे हो, वही जगह में सब कुछ चल रहा है, जल्दी से चल रहा है। इसका पूरा जांच होना चाहिए। हम लोग ऐसे इसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं। ये राजनीति के ऊपर है और महिला का विषय है।
We welcome what Ms. Mamata Banerjee has said, and that's the way to look at certain very serious, heinous crimes. If we can't protect our doctors, if we can't bring the guilty to the book in a case as heinous as this, I think as a society we need to question ourselves.
Protests have erupted nationwide against the Kolkata rape horror incident where doctors from across the country are demanding justice.
We will not cross the road. We go along this footpath only.
ये जो हत्याकांड है, ये निर्भया की बात का अपने भारतीय इतिहास का बहुत बड़ा हत्याकांड है। मतलब ये शर्मसार कर देने वाली घटना है। हमारी मांगे ऐसी है कि हमारे बहन, हमारी भारत की बेटी के साथ जो एक अन्याय हुआ है, उसको कहीं तो भी न्याय मिले।
On second day, resident doctors of AIIMS are protesting against horror of Kolkata doctor. Right now you can see straight from the visuals how they are gathered in the JLN auditorium, and after that they will move towards the gate number 1 and 3, and they are protesting against what had happened in the RG Kar hospital, and they are also demanding a CBI inquiry. I'm joining with some of protesting doctors. Even Mamata Banerjee also agreed for the CBI inquiry. Then why you all people are protesting?
See, one is that it is one of our demands, but all our demands have not been met. But I won't say that that demand is fully met, because you see that the CBI inquiry is supposed to be made after Sunday, right? And a lot can happen with each passing day. A lot of tempering of evidence can happen. So we are now asking for an immediate CBI inquiry in this.
Immediate CBI inquiry. Other than CBI inquiry, what are the demands?
We want a martyr status for the victim. What have happened with her is really unfortunate, and we are all here. Like what happened, we don't want this thing to happen again with anyone, not even the medical fraternity, with any woman. It shouldn't happen.
The resident doctors are protesting against the Kolkata horror. With camera person Pawan in Delhi, it's Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
The doctors of NIMHANS here in Bengaluru are protesting against the rape case that happened in the Kolkata hospital, seeking justice, that the accused or the perpetrators are still at large and the government has not done justice or enough, is what they're saying. Let me try getting few voices. So what is your protest about today and what is your demand?
Here, one of our colleague, she was in a West Bengal Medical College. There, a very bad incident had happened, I think 4 days ago, and the justice has not been served as of yet. They are making some scapegoat and bringing, telling that this is not, and they're not bringing the proper justice, what has to be given. And we are just asking for our safety, like if a female resident who is in a duty hours, who has done 36 hours duty and she's taking rest, and such an incident can happen within the campus, within like when the security was even there. So how can we expect other residents of us to go for a duty?
Doctors are also saying that they don't trust the process right now. They need a fair process in the investigation as well, and not just some scapegoat who will be shown as accused. And right now they're marching within the NIMHANS campus, and this is a silent protest march is what they are saying, that they'll only hold placards and not raise slogans here in Bengaluru NIMHANS campus. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
Rape and murder of a PGI trainee is tragic and travesty of justice. But even here in Chandigarh, where scores of patients are obviously not being treated because the doctors at strike. Now, there is an emergency in the ICU at work, but this is the new OPD, where scores of patients come in from various states, including Haryana, Himachal, Punjab, and even a distant Rajasthan. Let's just try and get you a sense from what the people are, because obviously they're waiting for the doctors to come and tend to them. The doctors are on strike. They're tending to medical emergencies, and new cards are not being made. Let's just try and speak. आप ये बताइए कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है डॉक्टर्स के स्ट्राइक से?
मैडम बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही, जैसे रिसेप्शन से गए वो कह रहे कि कार्ड नहीं बनेगा, डॉक्टर नहीं है, और आप जो है 2-4 दिन के बाद आना। हाँ, ऐसे अंदर बोल दिया, फिर वापस ही लौटना पड़ रहा मैडम।
So even as you see a lot of crowd coming in, this is how it is. Lot of patients keep coming here. This is where they are coming in from various states, but we'll just try and get you a sense of what's really happening. But what it says is, due to the doctor's strike, a registration timing will be from 8 to 9:30 only for old patients. So that is where the state is really lies.
ये सोच ही बंद होना है कि अगर डॉक्टर को हम कुछ भी कर सकते, ऐसा लोग मानना बंद करना है, तो कुछ सीरियस एक्शन लेंगे तो ये सोच भी आएगी ना नॉर्मल पीपल में कि अच्छा, अगर देखिए आप एक IAS ऑफिसर को या जज को आप असॉल्ट नहीं कर सकते, इसके लिए कुछ खड़े रूल्स है ना। तो ऐसे ही डॉक्टर्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो हम भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स ही है, हमारे ऊपर भी ऐसा असॉल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
We highly condemn this. मतलब ऐसा कोई सोच भी कैसे सकता है कि this it shouldn't go unpunished. इसमें जितनी कड़ी से कड़ी सजा है वो मिलनी चाहिए कल्प्रिट को।